The 7 secrets to exceptional human service are: number 1, to look at and treat customers as friends, family, assets, and guests. Number 2, be ready to serve guests the moment that the doors open. Number 3, have immediate eye contact. Number 4, don't judge the person by their appearance. Number 5, to show genuine interest by listening. Number 6, to exceed the guest's expectations. And number 7, to develop an attitude of gratitude by showing empathy, finding a solution, offering compensation, and following up. In the video that we watched, the main customer stops by the hardware store to get a few supplies for an at-home project. While he's in the store, he experiences a couple different examples of bad customer service. In the first scenario, the customer walks up to the store and asks the outside employee how he's doing. He is ignored as the employee seems too busy to acknowledge him. The 2 secrets that could have helped this situation are being ready to help guests as soon as you open and making immediate eye contact. The employee should have started with eye contact and responded to the customer's question in a friendly way. In the second scenario, the customer walks in the door, isn't greeted by anyone as he tries to make eye contact with the female employee number 1, but she turns around and continues her work. Again, the 2 secrets that are lacking are being ready to serve as soon as the doors open and immediately making eye contact. She should have greeted the customer with a smile and then continued with her job. In the third scenario, the customer tries to ask male employee number 1 how to find something, but is told that they don't know and to ask somebody else. The secret they should show is showing genuine interest by listening. He should have guided him as best he could or tried to give as much info as possible and then proceed to find an employee who would know. In scenario 4, the customer asks for directions to pipe adhesive. Male employee number 2 gives a vague answer, pointing and saying it's over there, then walks away. The secret that should have been used is exceeding guest expectations. The employee should have took the customer exactly where the pipe adhesive was or given him more specific directions and been there for follow-up questions. In scenario 5, the customer asks male employee number 1 and the outside employee for help as they are walking by. They ignore him and continue to pass on. The secret they should have used is treating the customer as a family or a friend. They should have stopped to listen and offer a solution for him. Scenario number 6, the customer asks female employee number 1 for tips on staining his deck. The female employee asks him, "Have you ever used a paintbrush?" The secret that should have been used in this situation is not judging your customer by appearance, because although he looked like somebody who would know how to stain a deck, in her eyes, he didn't, and he needed a good quality answer. In scenario 7, customer 2 is getting rang out by female employee number 2. She is on her phone and doesn't speak or make eye contact. The 2 secrets that were needed was making immediate eye contact and treating customers as friends or family. She should have acted friendly and made nice conversation while checking him out. In scenario number 8, the customer asks female employee number 2 where he can get a paintbrush because he forgot to get one, or if he can use one from home. She avoids his question and tells him one from home is fine. She should use the secret of showing an attitude of gratitude, showing that she is concerned, and helping him find a solution to his problem.